Welcome to Evolution Surface Solutions, the premier manufacturer of protective coatings. This video will feature TruNano VCTArmor. This video is not intended as a substitute for reading the application and product instructions. It is the responsibility of the contracting applicator to have a thorough knowledge of the product and how to properly apply the product. On-site training is available from the manufacturer.
This application is an approximate 1,100 square foot mailroom floor. Prior to the application of TruNano VCTArmor, all surfaces and substrates must be clean, dry, and in sound condition. Mask off any necessary areas. Manually stir contents thoroughly to suspend the nanoparticles that have settled to the bottom. Make certain to restir every 15 to 20 minutes to ensure proper performance. Do not use a power mixer when mixing. All mixing should be done by hand. Test your sprayer into a small bucket to ensure proper pressure and flow. Hold the tip square to the surface being coated. With the tip at a distance of 8 to 10 inches off the surface, spray in a cross pattern left to right, then up and down. Be careful not to apply too thick or to allow the product to puddle. The desired wet film thickness is approximately 4 mils. Make sure to apply as fast as possible as the coating dries fairly quickly. It is important to keep the air pressure in the pump sprayer as close to 40 pounds as possible. Notice the quick, even, crisscross pattern. SP sprayers are equipped with a valve that can be connected to a compressor to allow for constant air pressure. When using this method, remember to use an air filter in the line. You can see the advantage the spotter has when viewing the application. It is possible some areas could remain untreated if work is interrupted. The spotter should be able to tell where the applicator has left off and direct him to any uncoated areas. When applying product over multiple days, it is advisable to mask off at a corner joint or other obvious marker to make the seam less noticeable. These joints can be burnished at 24 hours after application to make the seam virtually invisible. Drying time can be varied depending on temperature, humidity, and film thickness. At 77 degrees Fahrenheit and 50% relative humidity, VCTArmor is dry to the touch in 1 hour, dried through in 5 hours for light traffic, and fully cured in 7 days. When application is complete, clean tools and flush equipment with acetone thoroughly before the product dries. After the VCTArmor has fully cured, You may wash the surface periodically with plain water. Avoid the use of vinegar to clean the surface, as this will, over time, break down the coating. Simply clean by washing or wiping the surface down with a damp mop or rag to remove the dirt and spills. If necessary, a mild liquid detergent can be used to clean areas prone to grease and stains. Although VCTArmor is scratch resistant, it is not scratch proof.
Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. We appreciate your interest in this product.